Welcome to the WP Week podcast, your go-to source for the latest updates from the WordPress ecosystem. Designed for WordPress agencies, developers, and enthusiasts alike, we've got you covered with all the essential news and insights you need. And a special shout out to our proud sponsor, the reliable WP Job Openings plugin, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your recruitment needs. We're thrilled to share that this plugin has surpassed an impressive milestone, boasting over 30,000 active installations and counting. In today's episode, we'll cover Vox Media's move to WordPress, the WordPress 6.4 wishlist, the removal of IE scripts from default themes, Mojik's addition of Openverse and transparency demand, the rumor of Apple AI chatbot, Twitter rebranding, the release of Llama 2, and Microsoft's improvements in AI. Hey there! Let's dive into some interesting updates from the world of WordPress and web security. Vox Media, the owner of popular brands like Vox and The Verge, recently made the switch from their proprietary CMS to WordPress VIP, which is Automatic's open-source solution for large publishers. This move has sparked excitement, and Matt Mullenweg, the founder of WordPress, shared his thoughts on the transition in an article. Speaking of WordPress, the executive director of the WordPress project, Josepha Hayden Chomphosy, has reached out to the community to gather wishlist items for the upcoming WordPress 6.4 release. It's a great opportunity for users to voice their ideas and contribute to the development of the platform. In line with the decreasing usage of Internet Explorer, the default themes in WordPress have dropped some IE-specific scripts and styles. This makes sense, as WordPress no longer supports this browser. Now let's talk about some exciting collaborations. Mojik, a popular privacy-oriented search engine based in the UK, has added Openverse, an open-source image search tool developed by WordPress, to its platform alongside Pixabay. This partnership opens up new possibilities for image search enthusiasts. WordPress contributors have raised concerns about transparency and objective guidelines for listings on the recommended hosting page. Currently, only the minimum criteria are made public, and the process for being listed and delisted is not clear. The community is calling for more openness in this regard. Shifting gears, there are rumors swirling around about Apple entering the AI race with their own chatbot, rumored to be built on an AI framework called Ajax. If true, this will put Apple in direct competition with other big tech players. Twitter has undergone a rebranding process, led by Elon Musk. The iconic bird logo will be replaced with a fresh new look. It will be interesting to see how this change reflects the future direction of the platform. Meta and Microsoft have joined forces to introduce Llama 2, the next generation of their open-source large language model. Llama 2 is available for research and commercial use, opening up new possibilities in natural language processing. Speaking of Microsoft, they have doubled down on AI to enhance user experience and productivity across their various platforms. They've introduced new AI features aimed at transforming how people work and search. Shifting gears to WordPress 6.3, the field guide for this update is now available, giving users insights into the upcoming changes. Additionally, the release candidate 1 for WordPress 6.3 is now live, allowing users to test out the new features before the official release. Turning our attention to web security, WordFence's threat intelligence team discovered an unauthenticated stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in 14 different email logging plugins. It's crucial for users to stay vigilant and update to the latest versions. Another security vulnerability titled Site-Wide Reflected XSS in Freemius WordPress SDK has been identified, impacting millions of sites. Users are advised to update to the latest version to mitigate any risks. On the brighter side, Main WP has launched a handy browser extension that allows users to monitor available updates and non-Main WP changes directly from their browsers. This saves a lot of time and simplifies the update process. WPMU Dev, known for their helpful WordPress tools, has introduced an improved image optimization feature. This new compression technique significantly reduces load times without compromising image quality. A win-win for website performance. In a collaboration between WooCommerce and TikTok, merchants using WooCommerce in the US can now participate in the TikTok Shop beta program, enabling them to sell their products directly on TikTok. This integration expands the reach of e-commerce for merchants. Lastly, keep an eye out for the upcoming Ollie block theme. It will ship with a new onboarding wizard that helps users set up their sites smoothly. This user-friendly feature will enhance the experience for anyone utilizing the Oliblock theme. That wraps up our discussion on the latest happenings in the WordPress and web security realms. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future. Thanks for listening to today's episode where we covered Vox Media's move to WordPress, the wishlist for WordPress 6.4, the removal of IE scripts, Mojik's edition of Openverse, the Apple AI chatbot rumor, Twitter's rebranding, the release of Llama 2, and Microsoft's improvements in AI. Thanks again to WP Job Openings plugin for sponsoring today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.